Okay, so just a small recap of where I am with this JYSK NIKA loft bed. I put in the right hand side of the bed. This is item number 32, which is the big kind of siding on the right hand side. And I put in the platform, and as I said in my other video, the instructions don't say it, but these brackets need to be in the front. And I also placed the back guard rail, I guess it's called. That's item 23. And what I need to do right now is put this front guard up front on the brackets. And then after that, I'm pretty much done. The only thing that's remaining to do is the closet door and the drawers, and the drawers, the stairs with the drawers. And that's it.